Hello everyone. This week we have this big guy. I have been doing some reparations because the veneer it was quite damaged in certain areas, and so I had to apply some mud, and I'm gonna sand quickly this extra mud that I put on the scratches, and then I will start to paint. I plan to use the newest color from Dixie Belle, Merlot. It's a very beautiful and rich dark red. Probably because I have a very small can, and of course this is not gonna be enough for this big guy. So what I will probably do, I will use this color for certain areas, and I will go with another mix of reds in other areas. So wish me good luck and thank you for joining. Let's go started. So now I go with this low abrasive sponge, and I take the extra of the mud. So as you can see, the problem here was that in between the varnish, the veneer, actually it was on a hole which I filled in with the mud. I go easily because I don't want to remove too much, so I prefer to spend more time. And because I still had a tiny amount of the Merlot, I decided to go with some sea spray and add some texture on this paint. And this textured paint I placed here and there on the corners and near the handles. And afterwards you will see I played on these areas with dark waxes, with gold. It looks really amazing this way. Even if I repaired the sides, I still didn't, I was not happy with the way they looked. So I decided to go for wallpaper instead of trying to paint. because I found this wallpaper and it has exactly the colors, the color of Merlot. It's a dark red, a burgundy. So I said, okay, I would go for this and I will not keep these sides painted. And so, time to goldify and to beautify. Of course, as I said, on top of those places where I added the texturized paint, I went with dark wax and then with gold wax, and using initially a brush that is in shape of a fan. And for the handles themselves, I used a small artist brush, as you can see, going into all the details of the hardware.